Hi guys, it's your girl Natasha Nicole here. I know my voice sounds funny. I'm looking hella crazy right now, but I am in the process of taking out my passion twist. So if I turn around, you can see got most of them out, but I wanted to come on here and make this little video right quick because your girl is having trouble taking these things out. So I've had mine in. Focus. Okay, so I've had my passion twist in. I know, y'all. I know. That's up, right? I should have gave y'all some updates and everything, but life has been hectic. School has been hectic, and I honestly just haven't had the time to sit down and make any videos. But I was sitting here watching Black Lightning and taking them out, and I was like, let me stop right quick and, give y'all a slight demonstration of what it's like to take these things out. So these are the passion twists that everybody has been raving about, and they're dope. I like them. I really like my passion twist. They actually got even better as they got older, but when taking these things out, your hair is like literally matted. And when you put them in, like, you put your hair in the rubber band, you put your crochet needle through, and you twist your hair with them. So me thinking, oh, this is a great protective style. Like, I ain't gonna have no problems taking them out. Well, when you have like 4-week-old hair, can you kind of focus? Can you kind of see how my hair is like poking out? Which means that my hair was blown out when I did it as well. So along with the there's the humidity in the air and everything, I guess, your hair starts to kind of curl back up. And when your hair starts to curl back up, you got to think your hair is literally wrapping up in all this. So I thought it would be easy. Like, I would know where my hair was when I was taking them out. But I've just been cutting them boob length because I know, like, my hair is, like, about here doing that. But you have no idea where your hair is in these things, especially if you do them black. And that was my whole thing. Like, I was trying to, like, camouflage, so I did them black. If you do a different, like, a brighter color, you'll probably be fine. But as I'm taking them loose, like, I just went ahead and snipped the end with some scissors. But look, they're just tangled up. And I'm trying to, like, take them apart gently, but there is no gently. Like, you're just pulling. I feel like I'm ruining my natural hair. I don't know what my hair is going to look like. Like, you can kind of see, like, here's my hair. Look at that. That's really my hair right here. And look how stringy. It's just so connected. And you can tell that's, like, the weave. And here's my hair. And it's just, this was not a good protective style. That's my long story short that I came to tell you. Or it could be a great protective style if you didn't wear them as long. Me, I wore mine almost like 4 weeks, which I feel like wasn't too bad. Like, that's what they look like. Like, they don't look bad. It's just time. It's just time to switch it up. I gotta go do some internship interviews and stuff, so I needed this stuff out my head. And so I'm just taking the scissors and trying to pop the rubber band. I know you should cut it, but I'm scared of cutting my hair, so I'm just leaving the scissors closed and just kind of pulling the rubber band, and it usually pops. Of course, it doesn't pop now that I'm on camera. Okay, it popped. And so I just kind of wiggle it because I know, like, the crochet hair is in there. And once I kind of wiggle it and I can get my hand through, and then you can see my hair and then the weave. And then I'm just kind of, like, tugging and pulling because there's really no way to really unwind these things all the way back out the way you put them in. And look at that. I feel like there's so much of my hair and it's not at the top. I just hope I'm not bald headed by the time this process is over. Like, my hair, look what my hair looks like. It looks horrible. So I think I'm gonna need a really good trim. And as I'm pulling my hair, look at this. That's all my hair right there. Losing tons of hair. And I know you're going to lose some hair because your hair's been up. But I feel like that's a lot. I think I would have been better off just doing crochet, regular crochets. I feel like I would have been better, but I'm gonna take another one to loose for you. I didn't want to make this video like super long, but I just want y'all to be like super careful whenever you take yours out, because I know everybody and their mama have been trying these passion twists and they bomb. I can't lie. I did them myself. And you see how the bottom, or either, I guess another way to kind of stop that is when you're twisting them down, twist super neat. But I still feel like if you're natural and your hair is blown out, honey. And see this one? Okay, so this one unwinded pretty well all the way to the top. But you just have the problem when you get to these knots up here. And I don't know if y'all can see that. But you can tell my hair is grown out. But then you have to kind of like feel for the rubber band because your hair is grown out so much. Like you don't know where your hair is. It's just all in here. And that's the part I don't like. But yeah. So like you just kind of feel for the rubber band and kind of, I'm just kind of feeling for it and just praying to God that I'm not pulling my hair. And the reason why I decided to take them out because my edges felt like, okay, that was not. So I felt like my edges were starting to pull too much. Like they was kind of heavy on my edges. They were just hurting. And yes, I moisturized my rubber bands when I put them in. So I think that kind of helped. But this process right here, just pulling, it's not, look at that. Can you even see that this hair here? But look how much of my hair is left in this doggone knot. Can you see that? Pissed. Just pissed. Look at that. That's all my hair. That is not the weave. That is definitely my hair. So yeah. I just want to tell y'all, be super careful when you're taking them out. And if you do want to protect your style, I think you may be better off kind of just doing some regular crochets. I mean, these are hella cute, but I couldn't imagine, and I didn't even go swimming in them. So imagine if you used to, you know, put these in and go swimming. You're done. You're done. Because especially if you're natural. If you're natural and you went swimming in them, your hair would have really locked up. Like your hair is really locking in these things. And it's crazy. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all how I've been taking them out. And I'm going to finish. It's taking me probably about an hour and a half to kind of get this amount out. As soon as I woke up from my nap, I was like, Tasha, go do your hair. So I just wanted to come on here right quick and just kind of show y'all like how the struggle is so real with these passion twists, taking them out. People show you how to put them in, but they don't show you how to take them out. So that's what I'm here for. So I'm gonna do one more before I get off of here, and I'm gonna be done with this video. But this is just, this was, I don't know, I just thought it was gonna be super easy. And it's not. Like my hair, like some of them in the back was a lot harder, but like these, like I can tell my hair is clearly right here, and I can't even get the knot out. Even if I start at the bottom, you just like kind of pulling and tugging. I just feel like it's not good. Or if you want them, get them, but just think about it, how long you're wearing them, and think about, you know, what it could potentially be doing to your hair. Now if you don't give a damn about your hair, then you're a-okay. But me, it looks like I'm gonna have to cut my hair off. And you can tell this is my hair right here, and this one, and it just, my ends look horrible. Horrible. My ends look so bad. I'm a little bit frustrated, but it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm about to go make me a wig, wash my hair, and yeah. And I'm going to my mom's shop, and I'm gonna cut this freaking hair off to where it needs to be to look healthy and back to my wigs. And the next time I do braids, I'm not saying that I would never do passion twists again. I'm just saying when I do them, I just won't wear them as long, you know. because I really enjoyed them. I can't even lie. I really enjoyed them, but I just won't wear them as long. I make sure, you know, I definitely won't be getting in any water, because I can only imagine it's just now starting to get hot where you want to go swimming. Look, and look at the knot in my hair. There's knots everywhere, and my edges literally hurt. Oh God, woo! My edges are so sore. So I'm not saying I won't ever get them again. I just want y'all to think about it, how long you're wearing them, you know, what your hair looks like, and you had that wax in there. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to cut a good bit of my hair off, but I just want to come and show y'all what your hair will look like if you wear them too long. So if you've had them in over 4 weeks, look at my shedding. If you've had them in over 4 weeks, I suggest you start to think to take those out before it gets any worse, because I can only imagine. I made sure I wore a bonnet every night. I did everything, moisturized my scalp, everything, but my hair was just starting to stink. I was scared to put water on them. Like, I was just scared. I washed my edges and stuff every night once they started growing out, but I was scared to literally wash the hair, and my hair was just starting to kind of, you know, just kind of smell a little bit. So I was like, yeah, these got to come out. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish taking these out, and I just wanted to give y'all a forewarning. Warning. You gonna lose some hair, you know. So I just wanted to let y'all know. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, you know, maybe to make you second guess how long you keep yours in. I'm not saying don't do it. It's not a good style. Or if your hair is shorter, or, you know, you're not trying to retain length and all that, then, you know, you can do whatever with your hair. But for me, I'm trying to get some length. I'm trying to, you know, by the winter time, I want to do my first blowout and, you know, see how I can wear my hair. But after 4 weeks, man, they lasted. So yeah, so I'm gonna go. Hope you guys find this video helpful, and I will check y'all in the next video. Pieces, deuces.